What's up, everybody? It's Chris, the investor, here again today. And in this video, we're going to talk about the head and shoulders and the inverse head and shoulders reversal patterns, right? So I'm going to start on this PowerPoint, then I'm going to go into the chart and show you examples, right? So there's a few things you got to know. The head and shoulders reversal pattern is a reversal pattern that's found at the top of an uptrend, right? And the inverse head and shoulders pattern is a reversal pattern found at the bottom of a downtrend, right? So it's like this: shoulder, head, shoulder, break support, neckline, you get confirmation of follow through, right? Inverse head and shoulders, same thing, downtrend. Lower low, lower high, lower low, create the head, create a high, 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 low to break this diagonal this resistance right here, right? So this is when you break the resistance, this is where you get follow through. This is how the inverse head and shoulders pattern look. Here's another example. As soon as the candle closes above the resistance, we can expect follow through. You can enter as soon as it closes above, or you can enter when we get a retest. A lot of people like the break and retest strategy, but to make things easier, sometimes you can just enter as soon as we break. But a break and retest is a more stronger confirmation, because once you break, the retest shows that this resistance is now holding a support and you can enter to go up higher. Head and shoulders again. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. That's what makes it work, right? We're switching from an uptrend to a downtrend. That's what makes this pattern effective. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low, because it's still low right here. Then we made a lower high. That's the shoulder. Then we broke. Once we broke and closed below, here's the example: entry and expect a follow through, right? And this pattern, head and shoulders pattern, works on all time frame. But I am using the 1 week time frame to show you an example today, right? You can use this on a 5-minute time frame for day trading. You can use it on the 50-minute time frame for day trading. You can use it on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame for swing trading. This pattern works on all time frame, right? 80% accuracy. So let's get into it. So first of all, NVIDIA. We're currently March 26, 2023. NVIDIA made a lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. No, lower low, lower high. Then it made a higher low and a higher high by breaking this resistance. This resistance is the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders reversal pattern, right? So let me draw it and show you. I go over here to my tools and I look for the inverse head and shoulders. So right here, head and shoulders. This is where we made the first lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? As soon as we get a candle broken close above this resistance, this candle, you can enter with anticipation that this candle is going to follow through to retest the next resistance, which in this case was 281. There was a clean traffic to the left, no areas to disturb it, and we're right up here to retest 281. So that's a full follow through from this inverse head and shoulders reversal pattern, from bears to the bulls for NVIDIA. We're at a phase right now in the stock market where we're changing back to the bulls, right? We're bearish all 2021, all 2022. We're in 2023 now. We're looking to slowly reverse in a few things. Here's Apple, inverse head and shoulders pattern. We just broke the neckline, we closed above. I expect Apple to follow through and give us a retest of 171. And if you zoom out, Apple is a very strong company. We didn't get a big correction, right? If you zoom out, you can see that Apple got a big 1 week bull flag, right? And if I draw my Fibonacci from this swing low to the swing high of the move, you can see that we're holding right at the 50% for Apple. So we can break new highs and continue up to 220 and 260 for the next targets. But that's for another video, right? I'm just trying to show you that Apple just broke out of its inverse head and shoulders pattern, and we're expecting follow through. Apple is fresh. So now let's look at the actual reversal pattern, the head and shoulders. This is changing from bulls to bears. So this is the S&P 500. I knew the uptrend was coming to an end when I realized this, right? This was COVID 2020, and we just sold off in March. We went on a massive bull push after COVID 2020 when they injected a lot of money in the economy, all the way up to December of 2021, right? So now here's this what showed us the reversal. And my cat. Yeah. Hold on. That's the resistance. This is a support neckline. We don't have to write the full neckline, but this is the neckline. So now all I have to do is draw the head and shoulders pattern. High, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So once I noticed this, I realized that the S&P 500 was going to change trend back to bulls. All we needed for us to do was break and close below this neckline. And once we broke below there, the S&P 500 went down, lower low, lower high, lower low, to the lows of 352 in October 2022, right? And now we're currently slowly consolidating in this area, trying to get back up to new highs, right? But we're forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern here a little bit, but it didn't get the follow through that we expected due to market weakness. This is would be the left shoulder, the head. Hold on. This is the shoulder. So ultimately, when we created this low right here, this is what we expected when we saw that shoulder. But we didn't get the follow through to break 426 that would bring us back into this new high territory, right? So this inverse head and shoulders did not get validated, right? So it's invalidated. So it didn't go through. But this is the example of head and shoulders. High, 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 low, high, 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 low, lower, high, lower, low. We broke right here, right? And this is the example right here of another head and shoulders on Microsoft. The same time the S&P 500 shift, Microsoft shift as well, because S&P 500, all these companies move together in a correlated manner. So left shoulder, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Right shoulder, this is a lower high, and then we made the lower low when we broke this bottom of this support. So we broke the support of 278. This is all you need to see. It was a lot of wicks, but once we started coming down there, okay, we're gonna head down to retest the low of 213, right? Here is the minor resistance, minor support. This is a minor support, so we came down and retested the low of 213. So the head and shoulders pattern played out, and it gave us a discount to enter Microsoft for people looking for long-term buys. Microsoft just made a weekly trend change, high, 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 low. We can make a new higher high and go all the way back up to 316 right now, right? As I'm saying, we're in a transition right now from bears to bulls. The Fed is slowing down interest rate hikes, and we're looking to get rate cuts soon, and eventually we're going to get quantitative easing, and the economy will start to perform and go up a little bit better 2024, 2025. So let's wait around and see. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps them.